Last night, our Jewish brothers and sisters began the celebration of Hanukkah, a movable feast that can be celebrated in late November and which will be celebrated on December 21st next year. Hello, I'm Father James Kubicki, and Hanukkah, also known as the Festival of Lights, goes back to the year 164 before the birth of Christ. After a period of persecution, the Jewish people under the leadership of the Maccabees family regained control of their land. They rebuilt the temple which had been destroyed by the pagan invaders and celebrated a feast of 8 days in honor of its rededication. Part of the celebration involved lighting the lamps of the menorah, a candelabra with 9 lamps, which were lit one at a time over the 8 days. But, according to tradition, there wasn't enough olive oil to fuel the candelabra over the 8 days. The lamps that were lit had to burn through the night, and there was only enough oil to keep the lamp lit for one night. Pleased with the rededication of the temple and the devotion of his people, God worked a miracle. The menorah burned for the 8 required days, even though there clearly wasn't enough oil for this. It's this miracle and the anniversary of the rededication of the temple that our Jewish brothers and sisters are celebrating these days. Jesus celebrated Hanukkah, which is mentioned in the Gospel of John chapter 10, beginning in verse 22. It was at this time that the Jewish leaders asked Jesus if he was the Messiah. His response, which led them to pick up stones to kill him, was, "The Father and I are one." As we remember the events that led to Hanukkah, let us pray that Jesus, who is the light of the world and who showed himself to be one with God the Father, may enlighten all people to the truth and bring peace to the Holy Land.